Would the good gentleman from Cavite yield to a few questions?
Certainly to the father of the Pre-Tertiary Education Act, the distinguished gentleman from Tarlac.
Maraming salamat, Mr. President. Mr. President, magkatabi po tayo kanina when we asked the question to Secretary Pangandaman kung magkano ba yung flood control for 2026. At Mr. President, do you remember her answer? Kung magkano po yung nasabi niya?
I think I left the room, Mr. President.
Mr. President, ang nasabi po niya 275 billion pesos
275 billion.
for 2026.
That's huge, Mr. President.
Napakalaki, Mr. President. And itong 276 billion, 75 billion po, according to former Secretary Bonoan during the previous Blue Ribbon Committee hearing, nakadivide daw po ito equally among all legislative districts. And I pose the question, Mr. President, I'd like to know your comment also. Tama ba na i-divide na lang yung flood control equally to all legislative district, whether there is flooding or no flooding, Mr. President?
If you're asking my opinion, it should be equitable and should be on need basis.
What do you mean by need basis, Mr. President?
Need basis, if the legislative district is flood prone or susceptible to, say, it's a low-lying area, then that should be given priority or even a bigger amount, Mr. President.
Kanina po, Mr. President, ang mungkahi ko po sa mga cabinet members earlier ay sana balikan nila tayo before December ng isang flood control budget na talagang may pagmamalaki at talagang kayang tayuan ng kanilang mga ahensya. Meaning, dapat po nakabase na ito sa mga lugar na talagang flood prone. And Mr. President, there was also one suggestion na gamitin natin yung Project NOAA kung ano ba yung mga lugar na talagang flood prone at sana dun mapunta yung flood control budget na sana maibago pa ng ating executive department, Mr. President.
Yeah, I fully agree, Mr. President.